Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. And what you're looking at here is an update in my my list building. And I'm doing this, I'm building my own contact list through Aweber and Traffic Monsoon. And Traffic Monsoon is our generating lead program, traffic program. You have to agree, if you're promoting anything online, you're going to need traffic to see what you are promoting. And we do that all through Traffic Monsoon. And we have solo ads that we purchase through Udimi solo ads. And let me show you what it looks like. This is Udimi right here. And all you have to do when you are promoting any business is to start purchasing solo ads to your business or campaign. That way you will start building your list. You will start building your contact list to promote whatever program you may be involved with. There's going to be a link at the bottom of this video to Udimi solo ads, and all you need to do is join up for free, and you can start from there to purchase your solo ads. You have different prices on your solo ad. You have different vendors that you can buy from, and this is working. This is working. Let me show you an illustration. This is what these are the subscribers that I got in yesterday, right here, and these are the subscribers I got in already today, and it's growing. And with these subscribers, you can build or send out any campaign that you would like to send them. We have campaigns on autopilot, and we do that through the Power Lead system. And the Power Lead system is where we build all of our capture pages. Once you join Power Lead system, you can start promoting your business through capture pages, and that's where you will get your leads from. By capture pages, when they put in their information, then you will they will start receiving your campaign. And I just love making these videos and telling people how I am becoming successful online, and it's done by this system, which is Udimi solo ads, Traffic Monsoon, and Power Lead system. And I use an extra autoresponder, which is Aweber. I like Aweber the best, and you can put Aweber inside of Power Lead system, whereas when a subscriber come and put their information in for more information from you, then your leads, whoever signs up or requests more information, will go inside of your Power Lead system and Aweber. Now Udimi for free. Traffic Monsoon, it's an ad sharing program you can join for free. And what we do every day is buy, when you can afford it, buy ad packs. Again, it's an ad sharing program. You're getting paid when you purchase your ad packs, and you're growing your business through your ad pack, because when you purchase an ad pack, that gives you $1 a day, plus it gives you 20 clicks on your banner and 1,000 clicks on whatever website that you have. Right now, I am at $88 a day. I have total sharing position. My total ad packs were 216, but I have bought more traffic through my earnings, and I'm still building on my my growth in Traffic Monsoon. Now, this is not typical. You can make more than me, or you can make less. This is just an illustration. And my earnings from sharing, from my ad sharing, is $9,402.98. My total earned from everything, from commissions and everything, is $10,168.59. Like I said, this is not typical. You can make that much and more or less. It doesn't matter. You have to go to work. It does matter, because if you have a desire, you can do this as well. Start purchasing your solar ads after you join Traffic Monsoon for free. And once you join for free, you're going to come over here and learn about the ad packs. And you can just put your link in and start surfing for free. When you surf, somebody else is going to see your site when you're looking at someone else's site. And then all of these are, no, that's not sign up. I don't want to go and show you my leads that I got in just on yesterday and today, because I don't want to expose anyone's email address. But you can see that I have over 2,300 subscribers in Aweber right now, and over in Power Lead System, I have different subscribers. I almost have 3,000 over there as well. And you can join Power Lead System. One-time fee of $7 when you join up with Lead Lightning. Lead Lightning is the beginning part of Power Lead System. You can join that for $7, and you can start promoting your business through Lead Lightning, which is you get a capture page, you get an autoresponder that will send messages out, pre-written messages on your behalf to promote whatever business that you are involved with. Even if it's just promoting Lead Lightning, every time someone buy Lead Lightning for $7, you make $6 out of that $7. But anyway, you're going to get 2 links in there. Your first link is just for Lead Lightning. Your second link is for whatever business that you promote. You put it there and you just start promoting that second link. And then your autoresponder goes to work. Come on over. Start with Traffic Monsoon for free. Then you're going to join up with Lead Lightning, Power Lead System, $7 one-time fee. And you'll start getting traffic to your site. And by buying solo ads will cost you from $40 to $50 and higher, according to how many amounts of clicks you want. But anyway, the URL will be at the bottom of this video for Traffic Monsoon, for Udimi, and for Power Lead System. And if you need that extra autoresponder, the Aweber link will be at the bottom as well. My name is Marlon Carter, out of Dallas, Texas. You all have a good day or night. Bye-bye.